Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Hey guys, it's your girl Masi Myers and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode we're gonna do like a big girl purchase unboxing. Guys, I've been waiting for this for so long, and if you've been watching me, you know, like I've been waiting for this for so long, and it's finally here, guys. And I want to unbox with you guys and give a little bit of a review of how it is. And yeah, let's get into it.
So guys, I don't know how to explain it, but first let's start with the things that I already opened. So I'm gonna do like a mini unboxing haul for my new baby.
So the first thing that we're starting off with is this mic, and I think I'll have to shift the camera so that you guys can see it, like, you know, in a good angle. So yeah, but what we're starting with is the mic. So let me show you guys. And here it is. So inside the mic pouch we have two wireless microphones, and which is good for someone who loves creating content, and like he or she is always moving around, you know. And also inside the pouch we have two cables, which I guess they are used for charging the mics. And again we have a manual, which, you know, is very needed in this case because I'm not fully, I don't know how to use it like fully, but I guess with the manual we'll get there and everything will work out, you know. Yeah. And also the mic pouch comes with two mic cloths, which you can use like on top of your mics so that you can cancel, maybe helps in canceling other noise that are not needed, which, you know, comes in handy, and I like that. And here we have like the camera cleaning kit, which has all the necessities that are needed to clean your camera. And the first thing that we have is this cloth, then the brush, and we have like some earpods or something, and we have this liquid that is used to also clean the camera, and a suction cup which is used to draw excessive liquids or, you know, anything that might have gone to your camera, which comes in handy. And this is the good thing about, you know, just getting the whole package, you know. And that aside, we also have an SD card, which, you know, is also needed for the camera. And again, this is why I'm telling you, like, you just have, if you're going to get this type of a camera, you just have like to buy the whole package so that you don't have to go around, you know, looking for other things that you missed on buying, or, you know, that will be needed later. But this was a good choice, you know, the SD card and stuff. But I guess in the future I'll need like another SD card because one is never enough. So next, it's this big boy. You know what I'm talking about. Is the camera itself, guys. So let me collect myself together and open it, because it was giving me a hard time to open it, but finally we got to open it. And let me just get into it and show you guys what's up, because a girl is thankful and grateful to God. So the first thing what you see when you open the box is obviously the manual, which in this situation everyone needs, and it comes in handy, yeah. And another thing is this battery case, which you use for charging a battery, and actually it's pretty easy to use it. Like I just figured it out. I didn't know how to place it or anything, but I guess I just figured it out. And that's how you place the battery. And here's the cable that you plug it in and you charge your battery. The next item is this camera strap, which is usually used like for the camera, and also like to avoid unnecessary tripping and falling of the camera, which helps you around, and safety and all for the camera, which is good. So another thing that I'm going to show you guys is the camera lens itself. And actually I'm told, like, the person who was selling the camera actually told us, like, the lens captures like a very wide range or area, like a very wide area. If I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it captures a very wide area. And also the camera, I don't know if it's the camera or the lens, captures like things that are in motion and stuff. Like, they capture the pictures very well. So yeah, I hope I've explained it very well, but here's the big boy itself. Ooh, I'm so excited about this one, guys. So yeah, here's the camera. In this scenario, I guess the manual will be my best friend for a couple of days, and as well as YouTube. But all in all, I love it, and I love everything that came with it. Like, ooh, can you see that? Guys, this is so exciting. I wish you were there with me just to see my reaction while doing this. But yeah, ooh, the content are about to be fire. So guys, another thing that I got is this Orano smartwatch, which I needed, and this Orano electric toothbrush, which I also needed. And so let's open it up and see how they are. Hopefully they are what they usually sell on the internet, because actually I've never owned like an Orano anything aside from, I guess that's all. Like, yeah, so let's see. So first, I love the packaging. Yes, I do love the packaging. And when you open this thing, the first thing that you'll see is the manual, of course. So here's the watch, but first thing first, I have to charge it before using it. So I'm just gonna switch it on for you guys to see. Then yeah, charge it later. And last but not least, it's our Orano electric toothbrush, which I'm yet to try and give you guys a review of how it works and everything. But let's open it up and see what's inside the box.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows.
Another thing that I was expecting about this brush is for it to have like a one head brush, just one, because it's one person that's going to be using it. But actually it came with 3 other extra head brush. Can you imagine? So like possibly you can use this brush like 2 people each, 2 or 3 or 4 people, because it's so nice and interesting. And again, it comes with a toothbrush holder for your toothbrush, yeah, and a charger for charging your toothbrush, of course, not a charger like a cable. So guys, this is everything that I got from Oremo and from the camera store. And the good thing about this camera is that it comes with a 2-year warranty. And also, if you need any more information or where to get the camera, just slide in my DMs in Instagram or leave a comment below telling me that you need a certain information about the camera or where you can get the camera or who you can communicate with to get the camera. So give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Love you all, and let me see you in my next video. Bye.